Hi everyone, I'm Guang Tommy Lee and welcome back to Lee's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make infused Bigoli pasta noodles. So let's get started. Pasta of spaghetti, so that's what Bigoli is. It's pretty much spaghetti but a little thicker version. Alright, so right here what we have is our blender. I'm going to put in one bunch of parsley, about 6 or 7 cloves of garlic, and then 1 cup of water. After we get this blended up, we're gonna strain it through a mesh screen, and then we're gonna use that liquid and we're gonna put it into our dough, and then that's how we get the infused parsley and garlic dough. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, as you can see, it's liquefied liquid. Now we're gonna put it through a fine mesh just to straighten it out. Alright, let's get a spatula. Get a little messy over here. And don't throw this part away, okay? This thing, you can also turn it into a pesto since we got garlic already in there. All you gotta do is just kind of let the liquid strain a little bit and then add oil. Add your little nuts, pine nuts, and then you will have pesto. Right? Olive oil. So don't throw this away. Keep this. Put this in a jar so that, you know what I mean, it's still good. We're just trying to extract a little bit of the parsley and garlic flavor out from here. Okay? So don't discard this. This is the good stuff. Otherwise, you can also put it in your sauce later. You know what I mean? We can always make a sauce, so keep that. Alright. Beautiful liquid. Alright, so we're gonna set this aside. And that is a beautiful color right there. Check that out. Alright, see you back in a little bit. Okay, so right here we got 3 cups of double O flour. Okay, 1 cup of Simolina flour. Big pinch of salt. We're gonna make a whale. Okay, we're gonna do 1 whole egg. Three egg yolks. And we're gonna go about half a cup of our parsley and garlic infused water. We're gonna do half a cup first, and if it needs more, we'll add more. Okay. Just go around, push. Just slowly, gradually bring in the flour from the outside wall. Okay, right now the dough is kind of still a little dry, so I'm going to give it about a teaspoon at a time. You don't want to add too much water, because once you add too much of your liquid in, then you gotta start adding more flour. Then, you know what I mean, then the mixture is gonna be totally off. So just slowly keep on kneading. It was super dry, so I say another 2 tablespoons. Like I said, go slowly with the liquid. Don't put too much at once. Otherwise, you're gonna have a big mess in your hand and you have to add more flour. After we get this into a nice dough, we're gonna let it rest for a good 30 minutes before we're gonna start rolling it out with our pasta machine. Okay. For now, we're gonna let it rest for about 30 minutes. I know it doesn't look good, but once we let it rest, we're gonna come back and we're gonna reknead it. And once we knead it again, the dough's gonna come out really beautiful. So let's get that, put a wrap on it, and we're gonna let it rest. Since it's about a little bit over 30 minutes now, let's get the dough rolled out, and then we're gonna get it put out in sheets and turn it into Bigoli noodles. So let's get some regular flour on the board. I'm gonna reknead this just a little bit. Down into about 4s. Flatten it. And I'm gonna run it through my little pasta machine. We're gonna start on low first. Okay. Flatten it a little more. Alright, let's get it through the pasta machine. It's a little bit too thick. If it breaks the first one, since it's thick, we're just gonna fold it right over top of it again. We're gonna run it back into the pasta machine. Alright, I'm gonna fold it again. We're gonna fold it a couple times and redust it until the pasta comes out a little bit smoother. You can see how the pasta is starting to come out really nice. So we're gonna fold it a few more times, and then we're gonna run it back through. As you can see how it's all nice and pretty now. Now we're gonna run it through the machine, and we're gonna start thinning it out now. The highest number I go up to on my machine is number 4 before I start running it through the cutter. Alright. Let's put it on number 1, and we're gonna run it through on number 1 twice. put it up to number 2. I'm gonna do it again on number 2. Alright, so now we're gonna be on number 4. After that, we're gonna put it in our cutter. Okay. I'll switch this over. Start cutting it. Isn't that just beautiful? See, ladies and gentlemen, Bigoli pasta. I'm gonna dust it a little bit so it doesn't stick, and then we're gonna let it hang dry, and that's how we make our pasta. Alright, thank you for watching my channel, and if you like what you see, please push like and subscribe. Thank you very much.